Leo sat at his wooden desk staring at his math book. To him, the numbers looked like strange, swirling magic spells. 5 plus 2 and 7, he whispered. But what did a 5 actually feel like? How heavy was a 7? The symbols felt like tiny birds that flew away whenever he tried to catch them in his mind. His teacher, Ms. Merritt, walked over with a gentle smile. She wore a bright scarf that looked like a rainbow. "Math is like building a bridge, Leo," she said softly. "You can't reach the top without a strong floor to stand on first. We are going to build your math bridge today, one sturdy step at a time." Ms. Merritt reached into a basket and pulled out 3 shiny red apples. Then she pulled out 2 more. "This is the first step," she explained. "It's called the concrete step. Before we use spells, we use our hands." She placed the apples in front of Leo. They were cool, smooth, and smelled like autumn. Next, Ms. Merritt gave Leo a pile of colorful wooden cubes. "Feel how 3 cubes are heavier than 1? Leo stacked them high. He could feel the corners and the weight of the numbers. He wasn't just looking at math anymore, he was holding it. The bridge floor was starting to feel very solid under his feet. "Now that we know what numbers feel like," Ms. Merritt said, moving to the chalkboard, "we can draw them. This is the pictorial step." With a piece of yellow chalk, she drew simple round circles to represent the apples. "See? These drawings are like a map of the things you just touched." Leo opened his sketchbook. Instead of scary symbols, he drew his own version. He drew long, sturdy bars to represent the stacks of cubes he had built. "It's like a crutch," Leo thought. "If I forget what the number means, I can just look at my picture and count the pieces." Ms. Merritt stood by him as they looked at the cubes and the drawings together. "The bridge is almost finished, Leo," she cheered. "The cubes are the ground, and your drawings are the scaffolding. Now you are high enough to reach the magic spells at the very top." Ms. Merritt picked up a marker and wrote a large, clear 5 and a 2 on a white card. "This is the abstract step," she said. "These symbols are just shortcuts for the apples and the drawings. They are the magic spells that tell the story of everything you've built." Leo took a deep breath. He picked up his pencil and wrote 5 plus 2 = 7. This time the numbers didn't fly away. He knew the 5 was the heavy stack of cubes and the 2 was the 2 red apples. The equal sign was the final plank on his bridge. The magic spell worked because he knew the secret behind it. Leo looked at Ms. Merritt and realized he wasn't afraid of the spells anymore. In his mind, he saw a magnificent bridge made of apples, cubes, drawings, and numbers. He walked across it with a grin, ready to explore the rest of the magical world of math.